Hello, welcome friend. Today we are going to learn about evolution of horse and breed of horse. So starting with the evolution, the first horse arises 50 million years ago, also known as dawn horse or Eohippus. It is 25 centimeter in height, four-toed horse and it arises 50 million years ago. After Eohippus, the next in the evolutionary history is Mesohippus, 35 million years ago, three-toed and 60 centimeter in height. After Eohippus, Mesohippus, Merychippus arises. It is 100 centimeter, three-toed, 10 million years ago. And here the characteristic feature is that the central toe, as you can see in the concerned picture, increases. Now, after the Eohippus, Mesohippus, Merychippus, the single-toed horse named Pleohippus comes into an evolutionary history that is 5 million years ago and it is 1.25 meter in height. Soon the hoof size start increases and the present horse Equus caballus with variable height and size come into account. Now we are going to learn that ancient horse breeding. It led to the development of three type of horse named Arabian, Turk and Barb. Arabian origin Arabian Peninsula, Turk origin Central Asia, Barb origin Northern African. It is a Northern African breed. Now before studying the breed of horse, let's classify the horse. A class, B class and C class. These are three classes of classification of horses. A class, it include 15 hands or more in height horses. One hand in A class mean 4 inches. B class, horses less than 15 hands or up to 14 hands belong to B class. One hand in B class mean 3 inches. Next, C class horses less than 14 hand and here one hand equal to 2 inches. Now let us study the breed of horse. Generally there are 60 breed of horses but here we are going to read about important breed. First is Kathiawadi, origin from Arab stallion, 14 to 15 hand. Kathiawar of Gujarat, ears tend to meet at center of pole, sickle shaped hog joint and the color ranges from chestnut, brown or bay, well known for pace, majesty and speed. Marwadi, Marwar region of Rajasthan origin, ranges from bay, chestnut grey color. And if somebody asks what is the differentiation between Kathiawadi and Marwadi, Marwadi are bigger in size as compared to Kathiawadi. Manipuri, origin hill states of Assam, Himalaya, descendant of both Mongolian white horse and Arab horse. It is introduced in Manipur in 7th century, used as polo pony while playing, deep through girth, good soldier short back as you can see in the concerned diagram, well developed quarter, 11 to 13 hands in height. Bhutia belong to Himalayas of India. It is used as pet pony while Manipuri was used as polo pony. Bhutia is hardy, intelligent with plenty of stamina. It is strong, sturdy with muscular quarter and height ranges from 13 to 13.2 hands. Spiti, it belongs to Himalayas. It resembles Bhutia. Both Spiti and Bhutia are closely related but Spiti is smaller in size and height is 12 hands. Kari, most important breed of small mountain horse or pony breed from Ladakh and it is working animal of Kashmir, also known as working animal of Kashmir, named after Janskari Valley in Kargil district and it is well adapted to high altitude. Mules are produced from donkey and mare. The more character of mule inherited from sire and here the sire is donkey. Characteristic is endurance and they are less subjected to lameness due to the thick hoof wall. Hinny. Hinny is a cross of stallion and genet. Genet or Jenny means female donkey. What is the difference between mule and hinny? First of all, on the basis of the genetic, depends upon the mitochondrial DNA, or we can depict by the physical appearance. Hinny head resemble more that of horse. Here, the two picture, one represent mule and the second represent hinny. Donkey. Donkey work continuously on poor forages. Type of donkey, small grey type, dark grey type in color with zebra marking, and the height is 8 hand. They are the most neglected animal. The second is large white type, 11 hand, and it is found in Gujarat, Kathiawar. I hope you like my work, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.